If you hate scrolling through endless sound libraries just to find the right effect, then this is for you. So ElevenLabs has dropped a new tool that allows you to generate sound effects instantly from text. So you can just type in something like heavy rain on a metal roof and it will immediately create it in seconds. You even get multiple versions to choose from, all of which are realistic and ready to use. So it's fast, easy, and honestly kind of mind-blowing. So if I go on here to ocean waves, as you can see, it sounds pretty convincing. I'll be posting about this on my channel very soon, so make sure you follow and check it out.